Dear students, let us continue with chapter 8 quadrilaterals. We will take a look at question number 6 of exercise 8.2. It's been given that for quadrilateral ABCD, I have E, H, F and G as the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. So, what do I need to prove is that EF and GH, they bisect at O, where O is the point of intersection of EF and GH. So, we are going to, although this looks very tricky, we are just going to use a midpoint theorem and prove this. So, we will be needing certain constructions out here. What I am going to do is connect GE, connect EH, then FH and GF. And also I will draw the diagonal AC, or you can even draw the diagonal BD. So, I am drawing this diagonal out here. So, if you take into consideration this triangle DAC, let us draw it. I have D, A and C. What do I get? We have the midpoints out here. What are my midpoints? I have F and the midpoint would be over here. This is G. So, if you notice, for my triangle DAC, F and G are the midpoints of DC and DA respectively. Therefore, what can I say through midpoint formula? Midpoint theorem, that GF is parallel to AC and GF is half of AC. So, let us write this down. GF is parallel to AC and GF is half of AC. Correct? Now, similarly for my other triangle here, BAC, let us draw this. We have the midpoints. So, this is my B, A, C. Correct? Let us mark our midpoints E and H. E and H are the midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Therefore, what can I say through midpoint theorem? That EH is parallel to AC and EH is half of AC. So, let us write this down. EH is parallel to AC and EH is equal to half of AC. So, from these 2 points, what do I get? That EH, that GF and GF is parallel to EH and GF is equal to EH. Correct? Therefore, if you notice this quadrilateral out here, GFHE, let us draw this also. GFHE. What do we have? GF parallel to EH and GF equal to EH. Therefore, what can I say? That quadrilateral GFHE is a parallelogram. Now, in my parallelogram, I have diagonals bisecting each other. So, if you notice, my diagonals are FE and GH, correct? But diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, FE and GH are bisecting at O, which is what we need to prove. Simple? Let us go ahead and write the proof. So, I will say proof. Let us draw a construction. So, my construction is join or draw segments. Which are the segments we are drawing? GF, FH, HE and EG. EG and diagonal AC. Okay. Now, we are going to take my triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, I have G and F are midpoints of AD and CD respectively. This is given. Therefore, this line out here, GF is parallel to AC and GF is equal to half of AC. Why? Midpoint theorem. Let's mark this as 1. Similarly, I can say that for my triangle ABC, what do I have? EH is parallel to AC and EH is equal to half of AC. Let's mark this as 2. Therefore, what do we have? GF is parallel to EF and EH. GF is equal to EH. I'll say from 1 and 2. Correct? Therefore, quadrilateral, so which is my quadrilateral? EHFG is a parallelogram. Let's mark this as 3. So what are my diagonals for EF and GH? Quadrilateral EHFG is a parallelogram from 3. Therefore, what do I have? EF and GH bisect each other. EF and GH bisect each other because my quadrilaterals are EF and GH. And what would be a reason be? Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Right? That is EO is equal to OF and GO is equal to OH. So let us write this down, although it is sufficient to prove either of these. So let's write down and complete our proof. Therefore, EO is equal to OF and GO is equal to OH. And I'll say hence proved. So, we have shown that for line segments joining the midpoints of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral, the diagonals, these lines out here connecting the midpoints are going to bisect each other, and a point where they get bisected or they get intersecting is point O for our proof. So, this was about question number 6. Let's take a look at the last question, that's number 7, in the next video. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.